AETHER AI Fleet Intelligence, the future of smart logistics and defense mobility. In a world that never stops moving, the power to control logistics, efficiency, and safety defines the strength of a nation and the success of a company. Today, 3DPEEKTECHSOLUTIONS introduces a revolution, a system that doesn't just monitor your fleet, it thinks, learns, and acts. Welcome to AETHER AI Fleet Intelligence, the ultimate fusion of artificial intelligence, IoT, and machine learning for next-generation fleet management. Cut to slow-motion shots of traffic jams, fuel leaks, mechanical failures, and trucks on dangerous roads. Every year, millions of dollars are lost due to unplanned maintenance, fuel waste, and inefficient routing. Truck breakdowns in remote areas delay critical deliveries, create safety risks, and cost industries precious time. Fleet managers often operate in the dark, without real-time visibility or predictive insight into what's coming next. But what if your fleet could see the future? What if your trucks could prevent failures before they happen, optimize their own routes, and communicate with drivers in real time? Futuristic interface appears, holographic maps, glowing lines, voice assistant visuals. AETHER AI Fleet Intelligence is more than software. It's an intelligent ecosystem that transforms logistics into a living digital organism. At its heart lies the AETHER Command Center, a real-time dashboard powered by AI that visualizes every truck, every route, and every sensor in one place. It doesn't just show data, it delivers actionable insights. From fuel optimization to predictive maintenance, AETHER keeps your operations one step ahead, always. The system operates through 4 powerful AI cores. 1. The AETHER Command Center, a web interface that offers live tracking, route analysis, and risk prediction, visualized on an interactive world map. 2. The AETHER Predictive Brain, an AI engine that analyzes data from IoT sensors, predicting component failures, analyzing driver behavior, and detecting anomalies in real time. 3. The Driver AI Copilot, a hyper-realistic assistant that talks with drivers using natural voice. It monitors fatigue, recommends optimal driving habits, and provides instant alerts during critical situations without distracting the driver. 4. The Business Intelligence Layer, a data analytics module that converts raw numbers into strategy. It displays efficiency, KPIs, CO2 savings, maintenance forecasts, and operational health. Everything an executive needs to make decisions that move the company forward. AETHER integrates IoT sensors, GPS tracking, and machine learning algorithms trained to detect mechanical stress, terrain resistance, and fuel patterns. Through continuous learning, it understands every vehicle's unique behavior, predicting failures before they occur. It can even analyze road difficulty, weather impact, and driver fatigue, adapting dynamically to each journey. With every kilometer, AETHER gets smarter, turning data into foresight and foresight into profit. For logistic companies, it means optimized performance and fuel savings up to 20%. For government fleets and defense applications, it means strategic control, knowing where every unit is, anticipating risks, and coordinating convoys in real time. No more surprises. No more costly breakdowns. AETHER delivers operational excellence, security, and sustainability, all in one powerful platform. But this is just the beginning. AETHER is built for the future, ready to integrate autonomous driving systems, drone logistics, and AI platooning networks. Our roadmap includes blockchain-based cargo traceability, AI-driven driver scoring, and digital twin simulation for virtual fleet training and optimization. The platform evolves, constantly, ensuring you always stay ahead of the industry curve. From the highways of today to the smart fleets of tomorrow. AETHER AI Fleet Intelligence is the mind that drives the machines. Developed by 3DPEEKTECHSOLUTIONS, this is not just logistics. This is intelligence in motion. See further. Think smarter. Move the future. AETHER AI Fleet Intelligence, powered by 3DPEEKTECHSOLUTIONS.
The vision of AETHER. AI Fleet Intelligence goes beyond control and monitoring. It is about transformation, turning logistics into a self-learning, adaptive ecosystem. A system where every truck, every route, and every driver becomes part of a collective intelligence, constantly sharing, evolving, and optimizing. Today, our platform integrates seamlessly with existing fleet infrastructures, whether it's a small company with 10 vehicles or a multinational with thousands. AETHER connects through IoT modules that capture real-time telemetry, engine temperature, tire pressure, fuel level, vibration data, and even driver stress indicators. This data feeds the AETHER predictive brain, where advanced ML algorithms analyze every parameter and translate them into clear, actionable insights. Imagine detecting a potential brake failure 5 days before it happens, or knowing that a fuel injector will degrade by 15% within the next 200 kilometers. AETHER's predictive models use time series analysis and neural forecasting to calculate the remaining useful life of every component. This means no more unexpected stops on the highway, no more wasted hours or emergency repairs. Instead, maintenance becomes a strategic operation, not a reaction. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's a responsibility. AETHER includes an AI-driven eco-routing system that selects optimal paths based on terrain, traffic, and weather to minimize fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Over time, this system can reduce fuel costs by up to 25%.